Catherine Bernardo update. Yan, ID story ni Dimples Romano. Sabi, so good to see you, Daddy, and congratulations to you and the fam, baby Catherine. And love you, Tita Min, and so proud of you, Catherine. Yun, no? Yan, mukhang may celebration. Nasa bahay nila, Catherine. Yan, no? Cheers to new beginnings. Yan, picture ng family Bernardo na mansion. Yan pa nga yung menu, lupit, oh. Yan, sinindihan. Tapos nag-iba yung tsura, yan, no? And available na sa Lazada ang Mega Magazine April 2024 with Catherine Bernardo, yung cover ng magazine. Kasi pa post ng bench for Catherine Bernardo. This era, it's official. Here's from killer styles to edgy attitude. Catherine Bernardo is rewriting the fashion rulebook and outfit at the time. You know. Daming billboard ni Catherine sa for bench. Mga forma ni Catherine. Yan, for bench. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para ma-update po ang future reaction vlog. Bye guys, thanks for watching.